Hey guys, today we'll be making magic custard cake. Let's go. Okay, before we start cooking, all the measurements and ingredients will be in the description down below. First step, we're going to separate our eggs, as you can see. Transfer our egg whites into a bowl. Whisk our egg whites. Alright, so I've stopped whisking my egg whites. Let's see if we have stiff peaks. Yep. That's how you know when it's done. Set these egg whites aside. Now we are going to add our both eggs and sugar and beat them till they've doubled in size. After you've beaten your egg yolks and your sugar, you can add your vanilla bean paste to the mixture. Now we are going to whisk it and add your softened butter. Now we're just going to whisk it. Add your flour and mix it. Now slowly add our milk. Now we are going to gently fold a third of our egg white each into the mixture. Alright, so this mixture looks ready. Now we're going to pour it into our 8" by 8" greased tin. We're going to put this mixture in our preheated oven of 160 degrees Celsius to about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, so I've just taken it out of the oven and it's been about an hour, I'd say. It's nice and beautiful brown on top, that's how we want it. And so yeah, just let it cool down for a little while and then you can start adding your powdered sugar and stuff like that. Once it's cooled down, transfer it to a cooling rack. I've transferred it from the cooling rack to a chopping board now. So what I'm going to do is just cut it into 9 squares. So let's do that right now. Now I'm going to just dust it with some powdered sugar. This end result looking delicious.